Vegan sushi. The best pasta you ever try in your life.
I never did such a salty pasta in my life.
Okay, pasta versus sushi. Sushi versus pasta. What means to be vegan? The consequences of eating too much meat. Less crimes. It's good for our planet. Be vegan. Yahoo, Shuo, Lion, and welcome again for Lion on the Road episode How to be vegan, or what means to be vegan, vegetarian. I bet you heard about these words before, right? Sounds familiar, but since we are living and traveling in China, we realize that most of the people we meet on our way, they have no idea what means to be vegetarian, what means to be vegan, what means to eat everything. We're going to talk exactly about that, advantages to being vegan, and about the consequences of eating too much meat. First of all, let's define the vegetarian. Vegetarian person is a person who eats no meat at all. No meat, no meat, no meat. A vegan person is a vegetarian person, which means doesn't eat meat, plus doesn't eat any derivated animal products like milk, eggs, honey, leather, and so on, so on. So that's the main differences, guys. Also, we're going to cook 2 vegan recipes for our friends, and you can use those recipes for you. And also, we're going to visit a Buddhist restaurant. So let's go and discover these facts of what means to be vegan. Consequences of eating meat. Meat agriculture, it is very bad for the planet. Why? Because the intensive animal farming is producing too much CO2 into atmosphere. Okay. Second, producing 1 kilogram of meat, you consume 500 kilograms of veggie products. What means with those 500 kilograms of veggie products, you could feed more than 1,000 people. 1 kilo versus 1,000 people. It's a bit unbalanced, right? And third, the animals are growing in a very bad environment. They are beaten, aggressed, injected with substance to stimulate their hormones that in the end affect our health. For more information, I just recommend you to watch the Cow Conspiracy documentary, and you'll get a lot more knowledge from that.
So today I'm going to be making vegan sushi.
Ready? Kaisha!
Basically, with a sushi, you can do lots of different types of vegetables. A lot of people don't like sushi because of fish, but if you do like fish, then this is really good. It gives you like kind of a fishy texture. I'm gonna put rice vinegar in here. You can, some people put sugar.
Guys, I never did such a salty pasta in my life. It's terrible. So then we try to adjust it to beat David.
Okay guys, finally we finished our amazing recipe, vegan sushi. And here, vegan, amazing, the best pasta you ever try in your life.
I never did such a salty pasta in my life.
That's going to kick his ass, Mr. Chef David. He wants to challenge me. No chance, no chance. We have 2 recipes, very easy to make at home as you see in our video. And let's see what the audience say. Okay. Pasta versus sushi. Sushi versus pasta. Let us know what do you think. If vegan food is really delicious and if you will quit eating meat maybe someday of your life. Okay, buon appetito. Enjoy your meal. How?
Delicious, you see?
What do you like the recipe?
Está muy rico.
See?
Gracias.
What?
Pasta?
Pasta is great and the salad. I have thoughts about becoming a vegan.
Me gusta más la pasta que el sushi.
Actually, this is my first time having this homemade sushi and pasta.
What do you like more, pasta or sushi? Fuck it!
Okay, I have to say it's sushi.
Pasta too, I love it.
Like, do I have to choose between these two?
Yeah.
I like potato.
Fuck you.
It's salty, but good.
No, but what do you like so far better? Difficult.
I like pesto. I like it a lot. I love pesto. It's my favorite, so that's what I say.
So the reason to don't eat meat, guys. First of all, it's healthier for your life. Cancer and many other diseases are product derivative of your unbalanced alimentation based on too much meat. Second, you don't need to kill anyone, so a bit of compassion for the other beings. What about if you get a pistol or a gun or a knife and just smash it into the animal's head and cook it and prepare it by yourself? Probably you think someone else does it for you, but it's still a crime. And third, it is cheaper, guys. It's not the same price to buy 1 kilogram of carrots than 1 kilogram of meat, you know? The last reason, it's great for our planet. It's green energy. Less CO2 in the air. Less crimes. Be vegan.
现在，我们正在去一家素食餐馆的路上。听说这家餐厅是整个广东省最好的素菜馆之一，名叫福田树。在这里，你只需花费10块钱就可以吃到美味的菜肴。走过路过，不要错过。
好吃吗？
好吃，好吃，好吃啊！你有吃啊？
对，我要吃。
好呀。
开心吗？
开心。
我们要吃的。
吃素呢，也是为了养生。
我觉得素食也是一个挺健康的一个活动。
素食文化的环境非常好，
因为这里离我工作的地点很近，
每一个周都去吃素食。
我觉得偶尔吃下素食是挺好的。
通常会比较喜欢吃水果一类，
开胃一点的小菜吧，
菜啊，或者是炒粉。他们有一种叫做艾膏的东西。
黄豆制品。
一般嘅素菜啊，我都可以。
昨天中午，
应该有1个礼拜啦。
十日前。
昨天。
大概有6、7年了吧。
大家好，我叫黄锦堂，是这里的员工。这是老板，他发心让更多人吃素食。生意火爆的时候，每天的话有1000多个人来吃素。现在素食推广快来，广州的话素食店越来越多了。这个店每个天呢保持在600-700人左右人吃素。我是有信仰，我是素食者，可以的。现在中国人的理念就是追求健康、营养素食。偶尔有些外国人来这里吃素留个照片。
哇，
广众福田，树立人生目标，耶！
Conclusion time! In the end, doesn't matter what you decide to eat or not to eat meat. In the end, it's only up to you. I'm doing this episode to inspire people, to show you and express the consequences of eating meat, to show you the benefits and the great things of being vegan. But the most important thing, I'm doing this episode with faith into the future that you can make a change. Even if it's for one day, once in a week, once in a month, once in a while, doesn't matter. It is already a step forward. And that's the important thing. So don't be ignorant. Absorb this knowledge, informations, and make a better you for a better world. Same as always, it's me, Lion.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Just finished the shooting for the social crazy experiment. Stay tuned and see what those 20 people did to Lion. I'm flying. I'm burning. I'm But you give the people an option and a chance. The people get blocked.